Have you ever wondered if your YouTrip card is actually activated? I mean, it's a pretty important question, right? You don't want to be standing at the checkout counter only to realize your card is still a digital placeholder. So, let's dive into the world of YouTrip card activation. We'll cover everything from the initial setup process to troubleshooting common issues. By the end of this video, you'll be a YouTrip card activation expert. Step-by-step guide. Check your email. The first and most obvious place to look is your email. YouTrip should have sent you a confirmation email after you successfully signed up. This email will likely contain important information about your card activation, including a link to activate it online. Online activation. If you haven't already, follow the activation link provided in the email. You'll typically need to enter your card details and create a secure password. Once you've completed these steps, your card should be activated. Mobile app activation. Some YouTrip cards can also be activated through the mobile app. Open the app, log in, and look for an option to activate your card. Follow the on-screen instructions. Physical card arrival. If you've received your physical card, you might need to activate it. This usually involves scratching off a protective layer on the card to reveal a PIN. Enter the PIN into the mobile app or online to activate your card. Troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection when trying to activate your card. Contact YouTrip support. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to YouTrip's customer support. They can assist you with the activation process and troubleshoot any issues. Additional tips. Keep your card safe. Once your card is activated, it's important to keep it safe. Avoid sharing your card details with anyone and report any lost or stolen cards immediately. Check your card balance. Regularly check your card balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for your purchases. Take advantage of YouTrip features. YouTrip offers various features like currency conversion, cashback rewards, and travel insurance. Make sure to familiarize yourself with these features to get the most out of your card. So, there you have it. Activating your YouTrip card is a straightforward process, but it's always helpful to know the steps involved. By following the guidelines in this video, you should be able to activate your card successfully and start enjoying its benefits. Call to action. If you have any questions or encounter further issues, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.